Hey Cloud Pros! Welcome to Technology Tuition. Today, we're exploring Amazon CloudWatch, the monitoring tool for your AWS resources. Hit like and let's get monitoring. CloudWatch is AWS's observability service. It collects metrics, logs, and events from your AWS resources like EC2, Lambda, or S3. Think of it as your dashboard to track performance and troubleshoot issues in real time. CloudWatch provides detailed metrics, like CPU usage or request counts. You can set alarms to get notified when something's off, like high latency. It also stores logs for debugging and offers dashboards to visualize data. Plus, CloudWatch Events lets you trigger actions, like starting a Lambda function when a file is uploaded to S3. Running a web app on EC2? CloudWatch can monitor server health, alert you if CPU spikes, and log errors for debugging. It's also great for tracking Lambda or container performance. That's CloudWatch, your AWS monitoring tool. Try it out and share your thoughts below. Subscribe for more cloud tips.